Stop watering down your premium iced coffees, craft cocktails, and summer sodas with hard, chunky ice cubes that melt in minutes and ruin your drinks. Welcome back. If you're a home mixologist, an iced coffee lover, or someone who simply craves that ultra-soft, chewable, restaurant-style sonic ice straight from your kitchen counter, the Kismile Countertop Nugget Ice Maker Silver is your ultimate hydration upgrade of 2026. This isn't a slow, noisy bullet ice machine that spits out cloudy, hollow ice rings. It is a high-efficiency, rapid-freezing sonic ice factory. The absolute showstopper feature of this Kismile machine is its premium nugget ice extrusion system, capable of cranking out a massive 35 pounds of chewable crushed ice per day. Driven by a heavy-duty compressor, it does away with traditional freezing trays. Instead, it continuously freezes water on a specialized internal cylinder and scrapes it into compressed, porous flakes. This creates perfect, airy nuggets that instantly absorb the flavor of whatever you're drinking while chilling your glass at lightning speed, delivering your very first fresh batch of soft, chewable ice in just 7 to 10 minutes from a cold start. What makes this sleek silver appliance a mandatory centerpiece for your 2026 kitchen counter, home bar, or office break room is its foolproof automation and effortless maintenance. It features a streamlined one-click control panel equipped with smart infrared sensor technology that monitors your ice levels dynamically, automatically halting production the moment the internal basket hits capacity or your water reservoir runs dry to prevent overfilling and save energy. Keeping a countertop ice machine pristine and free of mineral scale buildup can be a chore, but Kismile completely solves this with an integrated automated self-cleaning function. By simply holding down the main power key for 5 seconds, the machine triggers an internal deep rinse cycle that flushes out every hidden nook and cranny of the water pipeline, ensuring your ice always tastes perfectly crisp and pure. Wrapped in a compact, fingerprint-resistant silver housing that fits comfortably beneath standard kitchen cabinets, it delivers luxury resort-tier crunch to your daily routine without taking up your entire counter space. Click the link below for the best price and start enjoying flawless, chewable sonic ice at home today. If this breakdown helped you track down the perfect portable pellet ice maker for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart, high-yield kitchen appliances that elevate your home life. See you in the next one.